Hi, this is Sean from Yuuma. Today I'm gonna make you the tuna avocado open sandwich with spicy aioli. It has been 2 weeks since we are all isolated at home, and I can see a lot of people start to miss the time where we can enjoy our brunch with a nice coffee. So I'm gonna show you how we can make a good brunch at home with this. So the sauce we're gonna use today is the spicy aioli. It's very creamy with a kick of chili, but it's not too spicy, and also, of course, it's very garlicky as well. So I think it's really good to go with tuna, and this is the dish I'm gonna make for you tonight. So here are the main ingredients. So we need a sourdough, the canned tuna, which you can get from Aldi. We also need avocado, red onion, 2 eggs, and Yuuma spicy aioli. Make sure you got one of this. So first thing we need to do is to boil the egg. We're gonna do a hard-boiled egg. What I do is I turn on the fire to the highest, and with the water you need to cover the eggs. Next, we're gonna strain the tuna. Open up the tuna can, then we strain off the tuna juice. Then you set the timer to 7 minutes. So count down to 7 minutes. I'll reduce the heat to medium so the egg is not running or hitting each other too hard. Now we're preparing the ingredient, the vegetables. I got avocado, gonna cut into half. Peel the avocado. So after peeling everything, now we're gonna cut into dice. You see, only use half of the avocado, and that's gonna be enough for 2 people to share. The next ingredient, the red onion. Skin off, take both sides out, and we cut it into half. Now we can peel the onion. With the onion, I'm gonna slice it. With the sourdough, just want to cut and toast it. So give it around 2 centimeters thickness.
Sourdough from the Aldi as well?
This sourdough is not from Aldi, it's from Coles, because Aldi don't have stock today. Time's up to 7 minutes. Now we remove the eggs from the hot water and straight away put into ice water. If you don't have ice at home, you just can do it by running cold water under the tap. What I'm gonna do now is to toast the sourdough. So mine I cook under the salamander. If you have a toaster at home or just your oven, it will do as well. So give it around 30 seconds on both sides. So what we want is the golden brown, a little bit crust on the outside. That will make the sandwich very tasty. What we need to do next is to crack open the egg. Peel the egg. Egg we cut into half, then cut into 3/4. Next, we're gonna prepare to plate up our dish. So I put sourdough in the middle of my plate, and then I'm gonna spoon over some sauce on top of the sourdough first, give more flavor, and then 1 big tablespoon of the spicy aioli into the piping corn. Now we're gonna plate up our dish. On the bottom, on the bread, first layer, avocado. Second layer, we give the tuna from the can. Don't have to heat it up, it's okay to serve it like this. Third layer, we give it red onion. Then we lay the egg on top of the bread. Just randomly arrange the eggs on top, and then we're gonna pipe over the sauce. And I'm gonna arrange some micro herbs on top. And that's our finished spicy tuna sandwich. Jibe don't want to come off. Later we trim off. It's okay to trim on. Wait. Don't stress. Okay.